Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to draw the typical floor plan in Revit architectural software. In this video, I will cover the concept which is related to the starting point of the project and ending point of the project till the printing level. Okay, so initially I will show you how to draw the typical floor plan for that respected triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. So for that, initially we have to click on this image. So this is my image which is placed in east facing direction, which is having hall, dining section, kitchen portion, utility, toilet section, and this is the bedroom section, toilet, bedroom section, like this. Okay, so for this respected typical floor plan, I am considering the length of this respected building will be consisting of approximately of 45 feet. Again, I am considering width of this respected building is consisting of 25 feet. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how to draw this typical floor plan by using Revit architectural software with printing. Okay, so for that, firstly we have to click on the Revit architectural software. The software will be open here like this. Initially we have to click on the new project option. So in this we have to select the template type is architectural template. Click on OK. Complete software will be open here like this with user interface like this. So initially we have to draw this respected typical floor plan. Okay, so for that, initially we have to create the external wall. Basically external wall will be comes under your 9 inches thickness. So for that, initially we have to create the walls. Go to walls option, click on architectural walls. So it will be consisting of your respected walls like 12 inches wall, 18 inches wall, brick wall, and 5 inches wall, 6 inches wall, like this. So basically we have to make the external wall will be of 9 inches. So for that we have to create the duplicate. So for that, click on edit type option, click on duplicate here. Just I am writing here as 9 inches. Let us consider. So click on the edit type option here. So we have to change this respective property from 8 inches to 9 inches. Click on OK option. So after that we have to click on OK option. So again, for this respective section, it will be consisting of internal wall section of 5 inches. Let us consider it is consisting of generic 5 inches walls here like this. So initially we have to create the levels before applying the walls. Okay, so for that, firstly select any one of the section. Just I am selecting south section here. So basically it will be consisting of the level 1 and level 2 here like this. So here I am selecting the level number 1. Just I am giving the name as ground level here. Okay, just I am considering here as G. Click on enter option. Again, in the same process we have to give the level name for the respected second one. So just I am giving here as 1. Let us consider. Okay, so initially we have to select the floor plan which is related to the ground level. So in this respected floor plan we have to draw the typical floor plan which is related to the triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. Okay, so for that, firstly go to wall architecture. Initially I will draw the external walls. Click on architectural wall here. So as per the consideration, it will be consisting of 45 feet cross 25 feet dimensions for the external wall section. So initially I am selecting the starting point here. Just I am entering this respected horizontal distance which is consisting of approximately of 45 feet distance here. Let us consider 45 feet like this. Again, for this respected section, just I am considering the horizontal distance which is related to the 25 feet for this respected typical floor plan. Okay, so again in the same process, just I am considering the 45 feet. Again I am considering 25 feet. Okay, so now we have to select all these respected external walls in order to change the respected distance. So just I am considering unconnected height is 10 feet 0 inches. Okay, so again we have to insert the internal walls. So basically internal walls will depends upon the dimensions of the room. Okay, so for this respected typical floor plan, it will be consisting of the dimensions here like this. So depends upon my consideration, just I am drawing the internal walls. Go to walls, architectural wall. So initially I will show you how to draw the walls for the single room so that you can easily understand. So here I am selecting generic wall 5. So for this respected floor plan, it is consisting of the section here like this. So firstly, initially I will start that respected wall section from here. Otherwise you can start from this respected position also. Just I am starting the wall section here like this. First starting point, let us consider. Just I am drawing this respected wall which is consisting of approximately distance of 12 feet. Let us consider. Just I am drawing the horizontal line. So in the same process we have to draw all the walls for this respected building. So basically it will be consisting of secondary bedroom here like this and third bedroom here like this. So in the same process we have to prolong all this respected wall. Okay, So now we can see all the walls are drawn for this respected typical floor plan as per rough considerations. Okay, so now we can see initially we have to see this model in rendering view. Click on view option, 3D rendering view option. Now you can see all the walls are drawn here. Okay, so after drawing all these respected walls, we need to draw the door sections. So for that, go to architectural browser, click on the doors option here, select the load family option. So it will be consisting of the door folder here like this. Select the door folder. So you can select any one of the door as per your consideration, which is related to the 2 glass panel, 2 panel system. Let us consider just I am taking 2 panel system here like this. So here I am drawing this respected door section here like this for the main section. Let us consider. Okay, so in the same process we had to draw the all the doors for this respected building plan. So initially I will show you how to draw the single door so that you can able to understand the concept. Select the doors, load family, select the doors option here, select the 1 panel door, otherwise you can select a 2 panel door, slightly one. Let us consider, as I am considering here as single panel door, otherwise you can consider 2 panel. Click on open. So here as per the consideration of the typical floor plan, it will be consisting of the door here like this. So after drawing all these respected door, we need to draw the doors for the toilet sections. So for that we have to create the duplicate door for this respected section. So click on duplicate, on edit type option, click on duplicate. Just I am selecting here as D, enter. Okay, so select this respected height as well as per your consideration. So as per my definition, just I am taking here as 6 feet. Again we have to take the width of this respected door. So just I am taking width of this door will be consisting of 2 feet 0 inches. Click on OK option. So after that we have to apply the door for this respected section which is related to the D name. Select this. So here I am selecting this position. Again in the same process we have to draw the door like this. Okay, so after drawing all these respected doors, we need to draw the opening for the kitchen. So select that respected kitchen. For that, click on split element. So initially we have to click on this starting point, again we have to click on this respected second point. Okay, so now we have to select the intermediate section, click on delete option so that it will delete your respected property. So again we have to add the windows for this respected section. So for that, firstly we have to select the windows. So go to architectural browser, click on select your respected window section here, select the load family option, select your respected window folder in the US Imperial. So it will be consisting of 3 panel windows and double panel window and trim windows like this for this respected building. So you can consider any one of the section. Just I am taking simple understanding double panel with the trim. Click on open option. So now we have to assign this respected window section for the rooms. Okay, so initially I am assigning this respected window for the kitchen portion. So select the window section which is related to the dimensions as per your consideration. Otherwise you can consider largest window sizes, also depends upon your assumptions. Just I am selecting this window. Just I am assigning this window to this position like this. Again in the same process, just I am assigning the window to the point here like this. Again just I am assigning the window here. Again I am assigning the window here. Again here like this. Okay, so after assigning the window, we have to assign the ventilation. So further go to load family option. Again we have to go to window section. So again it will be consisting of transmit section with the trim like this. So click on open. So you can assign the ventilation section for the respected rooms as per the considerations like this. Okay, so after drawing all these respected doors and windows and ventilations, just we have to measure the room dimensions for each and individual room section. So for that, firstly we have to go to annotate option here. So in this we have to consider the linear dimension measurement. Why? Because we are considering the dimensions as per the linear section only. So select the linear dimensions. So firstly we have to select the starting point, again select the ending point here. Okay, which is consisting of 15 feet 11 inches. In the same process we have to select all the room dimensions for this respected typical floor plan. So now we can see all the room dimensions are measured here like this. So now we have to insert the components for this respected building, which is related to the bed section and which is related to the sofa set and etc. for this respected building section. So for that, go to architectural browser, click on components, click on place component. So in load family we have to click on the load family for inserting a component. So I was already explained how to make these respected components and how to make these respected sections by using Revit architecture software in my previous video. You can follow that video. I will provide you video links in above card link and below description. You can watch that videos. Okay, So here I am selecting furniture system, select the bed sections, just I am selecting box bed, click on open option. Okay, so now we can see the bed section will be open here like this. You can insert this respected bed as per your consideration. Just I am selecting here like this. Again in the same process, just I am selecting this respected bed section here like this. Again I am selecting this respected bed section here like this. So after that we have to create the sofa set for the hall section. So go to component option, initially click on create option, load family here. So in this we have to select the furniture here like this, select the seating option. So in this it is consisting of sofa, click on open option. So here we have to insert a sofa like this. Again in the same process we have to insert a single chair sofa. So for that firstly we have to click on escape option. Again we have to click on component, place a component, click on edit type option in order to create a duplicate. So just I am taking F section, which is consisting of the width is approximately of 2 feet 6 inches. Let us consider, click on open option. Okay, now we have to insert this respected sofa here like this. Let us consider, again in the same process we have to insert the sofa here like this, and we will adjust this respected distance here as per the typical floor plan considerations. Okay, now we can see the sofa will be placed here like this. Now we have to place the kitchen interior section. So for that go to component, place component here. So initially we have to click on load family option. So in this we have to select the furniture system. It is consisting of your working station here like this. Click on open option. So now we have to place this respected working station in the kitchen room like this. Okay, so after that we have to place the dining table here like this. So for that go to click on place component, load family. Again in the same process we have to select the furniture. Let us consider, so select the tables option. It is consisting of dining around table. Click on open option. So you can place the dining table section at this center position like this for this respected typical floor plan. Okay, so after placing all these respected components, so just we have to give that tags for the doors and window sections. Okay, that is also important section. Okay, so for that go to click on annotate option. So it is consisting of tag by category, tag all. So basically we have to select the tag by category section. So select this respected door one. So it is consisting of your respected name is one number. Basically we have to write this respected name is MD, which is nothing but your main door. Again in the same process we have to go to annotate option, tag by category. Again in the same process we have to select this door. So now we have to move this respected object to the front facing. So again we have to write this object name is D. In the same process we have to tag all these respected door sections. Now we have to tag the window section. So for that select tag by category, select this option and rename that to 11 number to window section. So for that select this option. So click on double enter option. Okay, click on this option. Again in the same process we have to tag all the window sections. So now we can see all the windows are tagged here like this. So again we have to tag the ventilations if possible. So here it will be consisting of ventilations here like this. So you can select this tag and again you have to select this, select the V option, click on S option. Okay, now you can see it will tag your respected window here like this. Again in the same process we have to tag the ventilation here like this. So here I am selecting this tag which is related to the ventilation purpose. Okay, so after tagging all these respected components we need to give the text for each and individual room. Okay, so for that we have to click on this text option. Okay, which is there in annotate option itself. Okay, select the text here. So initially we have to select this respected scale, depends upon your considerations and depends upon your height. Okay, select the room size and select the name of this respected object. Just I am taking here as bedroom. Let us consider. So which is consisting of approximately of horizontal distance of 15 feet 11 inches in horizontal direction, cross 8 feet 5 inches in vertical distance. 8 feet, let us consider 5 inches in vertical distance. Okay, so for this respected room it is consisting of your the respected dimensions here like this. You can click on this and you can move that respected text. Here I am dragging this respected object here like this. Okay, so you can modify that respected text if you want to decrease the text height. Now you can see the text height was decreased for that respected room here like this. Okay, so in the same process we had to give the name for each and individual room. So for that initially we have to copy this respected dummy and we have to modify the text. So now we can see all the rooms or dimensions was done for this respected typical floor plan section here like this, and all the tags are done for this respected typical floor plan section here like this. So after all the sections is done, so just we have to print this respected typical floor plan as per your respected sheet consideration. Let us consider A0 sheet, A1 sheet, A2 sheet, A3 sheet. Okay, so for that firstly we have to go to the sheets option. Okay, so here it will be consisting of sheets here like this. So right click on it, click on the new sheet option. Okay, so initially we have to load that respected sheet, depends upon your consideration. Click on load option. So in this we have to go to the title blocks. In the title blocks it will be consisting of A, B, C, D, E1 like this. So here I am selecting E1 section, which is consisting of 30 cross 42. Otherwise you can consider your respected large sheet, A0 sheet, which is consisting of 34 cross 44. So here I am considering this respected sheet. Click on open option, select this respected sheet, click on OK option. Okay, so now we can see the AutoCAD Revit software sheet will be open here like this. So here initially we have to edit the name of the owner. Just I am considering here as owner name is A and project name is B. Let us consider as per consideration, and untitled name for this respected building is C. Let us consider, and you can consider the project number. Let us consider, just I am taking this is 12th project, let us example. So issue date you can consider, and author name drawn by some, just I am considering some AAA or drawn by some AAA, and checked by some, let us consider BBB. Just I am taking, and scale will be considered as per your consideration. Okay, so you can edit this respected right hand side box for the details. So after editing process completed, we need to import the typical floor plan from the ground floor section to this respected sheet. So for that, select your respected ground floor sheet, and you can drag that G to drawing sheet here like this. Okay, now we can see all the drawing is imported here, but the sheet drawing is showing in the smallest dimensions. Now you can see this is the smallest dimensions for this respected plan. Okay, if you want to make that respected typical floor plan in largest scale, so basically we have to go to the ground level here, and you have to select this respected boundary sections, which is related to the crop view and crop region section. So after that we have to select this respected boundary here. Okay, we have to edit this respected boundary as per the consideration. So here I am selecting the starting point here like this. Again I am selecting the vertical point here like this. Again in the same process, just I am considering the horizontal point. In the same process, just I am considering this respected position. Okay, now we can see all the boundaries changed here. Again you can consider the sheet here and select the sheet name, and now we can drag this respected typical floor plan for the respected sheet like this. Okay, now we can see the typical floor plan was showing here like this. Now we have to change this respected scale for the drawing. So for that, firstly we have to select this option, and you can modify this respected scale so that the drawing will be drawn in the smaller scale. So you can modify that respected scale to the higher dimensions, depends upon your consideration. Now you can see the drawing is showing in the higher dimensions. You can modify to the smallest scale. Let us consider here. Again you can consider 1:1 something scale. That drawing will be changed here like this, and we have to place this respected drawing at the center of the page like this. Okay, and you can change this respected text as per your considerations. So if you want to change that respected text as per your consideration, you can change that respected text. So select that text height. Let us consider, just I am selecting, and you can consider that format of the text like this. Let us consider 1/4, just I am taking. Now you can see it is showing in the higher text dimensions like this. In the same process, just I am changing all the text to some of the drawing section here like this. So now we can see all the text are changed here, and you can modify this as a toilet instead of bedroom. Okay, some dimensions etc we will consider. Okay, after drawing all these respected drawings, so just we had to save this drawing sheet as per your A0 sheet. Okay, so for that, firstly we have to click on the Ctrl P option for printing purpose. Okay, so you can select the browser. So initially I am selecting combined multiple scale sections. You can set up the page, depends upon your considerations. So just simply I am selecting the PDF here. So click on OK. Simple steps for saving the PDF. So you can write that respected text to name as sample. Just I am giving the name is sample here. Click on OK. So that it will save your respected sample to the desktop here, which is consisting of A0 sheet dimensions for the PDF section. so that it can be consisting of all the details of the drawing which is related to the typical floor plan and each and every individual components for that respected building plan. Okay, so this is the complete drawing of the typical floor plan by with exporting to the A0 sheet by using Revit architectural software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.